I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy and excited you're here because today I'm going to be making one of my most favorite Christmas recipes, a snowman cheeseball. I make a snowman cheeseball every year. Before we get started on our recipe, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's get busy putting this wonderful, adorable little snowman cheeseball together. Every Christmas, I make a cheese ball. This is snowman, and I make the design a little bit different so that it's a nice, unique little snowman. I'm going to go through and flatten out and mix up the 2 blocks of cream cheese together. I find the best thing to mix this with is a great big heavy-duty metal spoon, and I just use the back of it and press down and mix it all together. You can see with this big spoon, it mixes really nicely together. But let's go ahead and put our seasonings in. I have about a teaspoon of garlic powder and about a teaspoon of onion powder. I'll sprinkle that in, and then I'm going to add something to give it a little bit of saltiness and pepper. So I have some French fry seasoning here that I love to use. You can buy this at Big Lots if you can't find it at your grocery store, or you can just use a seasoning salt. I have one more thing I'm going to do. I'm going to add in about a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. In this bowl, I just have some regular grated Parmesan cheese, and this is what we're going to roll our cheese ball in. And start taking this ball and just turning it. Make sure you coat it really nicely so it's not sticky, and you can easily shape it in the form of a big snowball. That looks wonderful, and now it's time to put it on our tray. Now that we have our big snowball on our tray, we're just going to scoop up the rest of the cream cheese and form it into another ball. And we're going to plop this ball once again right in to the Parmesan cheese. Now once you get the snowman's little head made, we're going to take a piece of a green onion and we're going to just press this onion right down in the first snowball. And this is what's going to hold this together. And then we're going to drop the little snowman head right on top of the green onion. Our snowman is going to need a scarf, so we're going to take this long piece of green onion and we're going to leave it attached at one end, and then we're just going to take our knife and slit this right down the middle so that this is going to open up. We're going to wrap this around our snowman, and this will be his scarf. I've taken a little piece of carrot and carved it down into the shape of a little nose. I have some chocolate chips here for the buttons, and I have some mini chocolate chips that will be the face and the eyes of the snowman. A lot of people like to use peppercorns, but I find that these mini little chocolate chips work out so much better, because this way, if everyone's eating the cheese ball and they're taking a knife and cutting pieces and the peppercorns get mixed in and someone bites a peppercorn without realizing it's in the cheese ball, they could break a tooth or hurt themselves. So we don't want anything hard. Everything in our cheese ball is going to be completely edible. And we'll wrap it around, and we'll just carefully and lightly tie this onion into the shape of a little scarf, just like that. And then we'll take the little carrot and put this right into place. That'll determine where we put the eyes in the little mouth of the snowman. And then we'll just take the big chocolate chips and put them right here on the front as nice little buttons. And here's how my adorable little snowman cheese ball turned out. It literally only took 10 minutes to put this together, and it was so much fun to make. I am so happy you were here. I really had a wonderful time putting together this delightful little snowman cheese ball. I hope you make one of these for your family gatherings this Christmas and realize just how easy and delicious and how much fun it can be. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas!